Hi guys, it's your girl Sasha and I'm back with another video. Alright, today I'm going to show you how I've done sweet potato pudding Jamaican style. Alright, here you see in the oven. This is how it looks going inside of the oven. First thing first, you want to peel your potatoes and you're going to wash it. You know that potato is dirty, so you have to wash it very good. Alright, since I'm going to blend my potatoes, I'm cutting it up very fine for it to enter the blender. This is the part where I'm blending it smooth. Alright, so after blending it smooth, I'm going to get my dry ingredients ready. So the ingredients that I'm going to use is all-purpose flour, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, it's the liquid dough, and vanilla, salt, baking powder, and also some baking soda. The ingredients will be listed in the description below. So here I'm pouring on the ingredients onto the blended potato. Here, these are some of the ingredients that I use. I'm going to fold in all the ingredients in the potato. I also added some raisins here. This is what the batter looks like after. Here's my tin greased and ready. I'm pouring out the butter inside it. I'm now going to bake it at 150 degrees for 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. So this is the check after 45 minutes. This is the lovely color that I got. It's looking so delicious and I can tell you it is delicious. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you.